Hello, and welcome to the presentation on the three cases. Now, the three cases are a very important part. Oops, I'll have to rewrite that. The three cases are a very important part of quadratics, and as well as the next two ways of solving quadratics that we're going to learn. And there are three identities that we can apply to our math. First one we're going to do is called difference of two squares. There we go. That should be an A. Anyways, when you multiply A times X, so it means a constant A times X plus a constant B times AX minus B, I taught FOIL in factoring 1, so let's FOIL this equation. That's going to be these two going to go first. That's going to become A squared, X squared, because we multiplied A times A, and that's A squared, and X times X, which is X squared. We're going to do outer, which is these right here. Remember, FOIL is first, outer, inner, last. Now we're going to do our outer ones, and that's going to be AX and B, negative B, so that's going to be minus AXB. And then we're going to do, ooh, I like that color. It looks so cool. We're going to do the inner, which would be these two right here, and that's going to be plus AXB. And then we're going to do the last in each binomial, which is these two, and that should be negative B squared. Now, you might immediately see that these two automatically cancel out. Oops. These two automatically cancel out. And you should get A squared, X squared, minus B squared. And that's the difference of two squares. So when you let's say, for instance, I'm going to take 5x minus 3, 5x plus 3. Let's FOIL it the hard way. So that's going to be 25x squared minus 15x plus 15x minus 9. It's going to be 25x squared minus 9. Now, let's use this property that we've discovered to do that. Let's see. What is a squared? Well, that's 25. What is x squared? Well, that's x squared. What is b minus b squared? That's negative 9. That's negative 9 squared. Can't be easier than that. Okay, the next one we're going to learn is a little bit more tricky, but it's actually more important. Imagine ax plus b, and this whole binomial is squared. Well, what is anything squared? That's just it times itself. So that would have to be ax plus b times ax plus b. Well, let's FOIL it. So that's a squared, x squared, plus abx plus abx plus b squared. So, and that simplifies down to a squared, x squared, plus 2abx plus b squared. And so let's try that with some random numbers. Let's see, 5x plus 3. Well, I like 5x plus 3 today, so I guess we'll continue. How about I do everything as 5x plus 3 squared? Well, we could FOIL it. So it's 5x plus 3 times 5x plus 3. We get 25x squared plus 15x plus 15x plus 9, and then that would be 25x squared plus 30x plus 9. Now, let's do it the way that we discovered. That's that's going to be, well, what is our a squared? That's 25. That's 5 squared, which is 25. What's our x squared? That's x squared. And then 2abx. Well, we know that our x is 3. I mean, our x is going to be x because it's a variable. But our a and b, because this is a and this is b, that's 5 times 3 times 2. That's 15 times 2, so that's plus 30x. And then just b squared. And 3 squared is equal to 9. And we got the same result. That should be a plus, by the way. Sorry about that. Now, there's, and, actually no. It doesn't, I don't believe it has a real name that we use all the time. We just call it squaring ax plus b. So, how about ax minus b squared? So it's going to be a squared x squared, we're foiling it, minus abx minus abx plus b squared. Because remember, we're foiling negative b and negative b as our last thing. Well, what's a negative times negative? That's a positive, so that's positive b squared. So it's adding b squared. A squared, x squared, that's going to be simplifying to 2abx and plus b squared. That looks pretty similar to what we did right here, except for this has a minus sign. Now, I think you figured out that I know what I'm doing, so we don't have to FOIL anything. We're not going to FOIL anything to prove anything. I'm just going to do the thing. So a squared is 5 squared, and that's 25. And then x squared is just x squared minus, what is 2ab? What is ab? That's 5 times 3. That's minus 30x and plus b squared. So that's just plus 9. Yep. And these are going to come very handy in our next exercise, which is going to be completing the square. Bye, and have fun.